My name is Tiger Santosh Nair. For the last 35 years, I've been in the business of transforming human beings. And particularly in the last 20 years, I've been in the business of helping entrepreneurs to transform themselves and their enterprises. For 20 years, I've been studying the life of entrepreneurs. And after studying this for a long period of time, I realized that every entrepreneur wants to leave a legacy. And what does that mean? Is that if you want to leave a legacy, the first thing that you have to do is that your organization has to become an autopilot organization, which means an organization that runs on its own. The second thing that an entrepreneur has to do is to convert this autopilot organization, which runs on its own, to an auto-exponential organization. An auto-exponential organization is an organization that grows on its own. So one is runs on its own, then it grows on its own. The third and the final thing that an entrepreneur has to do before he dies is to ensure that his organization becomes an auto-transforming organization, which means it transforms on its own. And when I say before he dies does not mean the physical death. Before he dies in his ideas, his philosophies and his thoughts. Now you can build this autopilot, auto-exponential, auto-transforming organization in 7 years to 13 years time. But in order to do that, you have to be on a journey. So I want you to welcome you to the journey of building an autopilot, auto-exponential and auto-transforming organization. This journey starts with a webinar. And I do a 90-minute webinar to enlighten you as to how do you become an autopilot organization. This communication of mine is that if you don't know SMART, or even if you know SMART, and if you've not done the mastery in entrepreneur excellence journey, so I feel that this journey, which is known as the journey towards building an autopilot organization, auto-exponential organization, auto-transforming organization, is a journey of entrepreneurship and the mastery of entrepreneurship. So we call it the Me Gurukul. Mastery, M-E-E, mastery in entrepreneur excellence. So you have to become a master. You have to become a master in entrepreneurship, and that you can only become when you're becoming excellent in everything that an entrepreneur should do or should not do. So what are the things that an entrepreneur should do and what are the things that an entrepreneur should not do? What is the way in which to build a autopilot organization? This is what is my webinar of 90 minutes. So I welcome you all to listen to this 90-minute webinar, which I am sure that if you come and invest a small amount, which is mentioned out here, and the dates are mentioned out here, and the timings are mentioned out here. If you come to this Me Gurukul webinar of 90 minutes, your mind will be exposed to some of the greatest thoughts that entrepreneurs are supposed to have. Your mind will be exposed to the greatest words that an entrepreneur should have, and your mind will be exposed to the greatest deeds that an entrepreneur must do in order to build an APO-IO auto, that is auto-pilot, auto-exponential and auto-transforming organization. If you come to this webinar, I can assure you that your entire life will change, your future will change, and the real reason why you became an entrepreneur, you will be enlightened and you will reach the pinnacle of entrepreneurship, and nothing can stop you from becoming a Ratan Tata or a Dhirubhai Ambani or a Narayan Murthy or Elon Musk for that matter, or any of the greatest entrepreneur like Bill Gates or Steve Jobs or whatever may be the case. So if you really want to build a great organization, the webinar of 90 minutes called Me Gurukul webinar 90 minutes is for you, and I welcome you all to this webinar. Thank you very much. May you achieve greatness in entrepreneurship. This is Tiger Santosh Nair, wishing you the very best. Thank you.